Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some super cute whimsical ephemera. These are pieces that I have used from my July VIP lounge paper. But before I show you how to make this, let me showcase the VIP lounge papers. First main collection for the month of August is called the Vintage Lagoon. So it's a collection that's been inspired from Venice. Of course, there's been a very famous wedding happened in Venice recently. And I thought, actually, let's make and tell story about Venice in a non-fashion way. I wanted to, of course, create something that is vintage, that be shabby, of course, with my taste of being quite artistic and quite whimsical as well. This kit has 16 pages and has background of, a collection of backgrounds and ephemera. So I'm just going to go really quickly through every page. So predominantly lots of florals and a lot of Venetian masks. Of course, Venice is famous not just for the lagoon, but also for a carnival. That's their very distinctive gondolas, the St. Mark's Square, lovely mask. Now, these are original. They are a collection of Italians post stamps. I remember this when I was little. So in Italy there is a euro now because we are part of Europe, but before we had the euros, we used to have lira, which is it was our currency. And I remember when I was little, with 50 lira you used to buy a post stamp, and I remember people used to collect them as well. So this is a collection of authentic, of course they are scanned, and some of course are from the website. So collection of real post stamps. I'm going to do a tutorial with this. So yeah, this is the map, the vintage map of Venice. Of course, Venice it looks like an island, but it's attached there, and then you got all the canals. And I think this is amazing if you do like travel journals, or even if you want to decorate it. Now this one, I mean, you can nobody stops you. You could simply put on a picture frame and put in your living room. But yeah, I wanted to give you quite a lot of watercolor effect photos. Okay, so they can use as a background or anything that you want. A little bit of whimsical, as I said in the beginning. So I created this background, and then I just put the hot air balloons. This is the cathedral, and I just added some florals on top. I love the watercolor effect. I hope you guys like it too. And then I basically put them into one page, all the full backgrounds, scaled them. So these will be fabulous cards, and also like vintage cards as well, which I will do a tutorial. Another background with the mask and the florals. Another one, pink. This has got like some brown and yellow and red color. It's loads of pages. This one, it's divided into two, so I designed this as two separate pages, split in half, but you can use as a one if you wish to. Another one with blue, predominantly blue and pink, gold and sepia. Love that. And then another one with the watercolor image and the Venetian mask. And last but not least is my favorite, because I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to get like a canvas texture. It looks like a painting, and I put the Venetian mask on the side as well. So that's the main collection. Also, every month you get a little gift from me. Okay, and this month the gift is an additional mini kit, which is called Emporium of Aristocrats. So I wanted to create something a bit different, something a bit magical and whimsical. So It's a mini collection, so it's 4 pages. So you've got 1 page with the 2 different backgrounds. So you've got Mr. Crocodile and a lovely oh god, what do you call this in English? Oh, how do you call this? Animals, flamingos. We all regal. I love that. I wish I could wear that. Then there is another page. Oh, I missed one. There is another page with the Princess Swan and the Princess Duck. So I love them. I love the costumes. They're quite hard to Photoshop it, but I really like the effect. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I think I've got a tutorial in my head, a project that I want to do. It's a collection of like little square, which I think I'm going to make some cards. And the large one, I think I'm going to make a tag. And then there's another page here. Look at that. Look, so cute. So cute. Okay, also guys, every month you get a letter, like a 3D letter gift box. And this month we are on letter P. We've done all the alphabet so far. So this is the template. So I've got the front of the P with a lion and the back of the P with this one princess. And also because I had a lot of space here on the page, I gave you an additional background with this handsome pup. I think it's so sassy and it's so I quite like his attitude. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. So letter P. So we got the Lion King and the Princess Swan on the back, and then all the side there is this lovely floral letters. I'll show you all the alphabet. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. This is the last 3 that we've done. I got them here on my desk. Of course, these some of the alphabet, not some, from the letter A to the letter M, I guess. So it's the first letters are available on my website if you guys want to purchase them. But of course, my VIP members get them for free as part of the perk of the membership. But yeah, really happy with these. So cool. Okay guys, so these are the 2 bags. I basically keep all my scraps. Okay, I'm not a maniac. I'm not saving any little pieces. I only save like larger pieces that I think will be used, put it that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select some scraps. Okay, pages that actually it's a quite nice contrast there. Some little bits and pieces that I think I will use. Okay, and then I'm gonna do it off camera, but not actually, I'm gonna do it on camera to speed it up, because one of the questions that I always get asked is what rules I follow when I do my collages. Now guys, rule number 1, there are no rules. So it's true. So I don't really tend to follow anything. I'm a sort of person that I like contrast. Okay, I like something that is very dark and strong with something that is quite deep and bright, but also I like when it's like tone on tone, when maybe it's the same color palette. So it's very depend, and I like vintagey bits, so I think this will look quite nice together. Some people might like soft pastel colors with floral. Some people might like black and white with a hint of metallic colors. So there are no rules. Just do what you think works and just let your mood and your instinct just follow and guide when you create. That's the only rule, that's the only advice that I'm going to give you. I'm going to select all the papers. I'm going to film it. I'm going to speed it up because I still want you guys to see the process without making this video 5 hours long. Okay. Right, let me show you what I've done so far before I cut it further. So I'm kind of like trying to explain my process or what is going on in my head. Because on the panther here, there is a lot of like pink colors there. So I have used this page here. This is actually from Tim Holtz. And this is one of my digitals. And then I just put some contrast, because it's a lot of darker colors, so I thought it needed a little bit of like light colors. And then I kept all the pink in here because these had a lot of like gold browny tone. I kept everything tone on tone. Okay, so this is just an idea of, instead of being striky, you can be quite subtle. So I have used the same color palette, but what I have done, I played with prints. So you've got the newspaper. This is also from Tim Holtz. Sort of like newspaper collage in the background, a geometrical stripe, and the music notes, and also a little clock there. Because I think because of the different texture, makes this quite interesting. On here, because again, on the fox, there is a lot of green. I picked this page here. There was a lot of pink. Again, same from here because there's a lot of green stamps. And again, because everything was very soft and you got the damask geometric motif, I wanted something quite striking, quite distinctive, and I put an horizontal stripe. Okay. On here, I'm not sure I like this yet, but it's not finished, so I'm just going to cut it. So again, because you got lots of like brownish goldish color, I kept tone on tone. So I just used, because there is a lot of lace there, I thought to use a doily to kind of match with the lace there. And then again, some music notes, some book page on the background. And this is the first I've done. Now, I had this scrap. This was a page, well, 2 different pages actually. I really like this little frame there. So I kind of used that as a frame on a frame itself and kept that book page. And then was one of my digitals. Now, I just need to do something here. I don't like this little gap. So let me see what I have. Did I forgot any more of those clocks? Let's have a look. I think I have. Oh yeah, that will do. I think I'm gonna turn them into tags or literally just ephemera pieces. Not everything needs to serve a purpose. So yeah, just gonna cut them in different shapes and I see how I feel about it. Okay, so I'm gonna do some cutting, then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me show you what I made. Number one is this. Simply cut it into a square sort of shape, and then I had this little scrap of, it's like a ribbon, like an haberdashery ribbon. So I only literally had this little piece, so I just put in the corner. So that's one. Then this one here, I put a little lace there. I think in fact, let me just put them aside so you don't get distracted from the rest. So that's that. What do you guys think? There is a lot of space here, which I was either contemplating. I had this little ribbon here, but I don't know if it would have been too much. What do you guys think? So I kind of left it like that. So, but yeah, so that's another option. This one here. This is another favorite of mine. I think the lace just finish it off. So cute. Then Mr. King, which you guys, I really like this. And then my favorite, which I left it for last, is this one here. I love it. I absolutely love this. I don't know, I think everything works really well together, and I think the lace there just nice, and then there is that little frame that really works. Okay guys, just these some ideas to make some ephemera using my digitals. Okay, so if you wish to join, let me show you what you do. So okay guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there it is. So the VIP Lounge, if if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands. This is the platform for you. What is the VIP Lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got two options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops, digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. And also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly. So this is the best seller option. So you pay once, okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course, it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months, starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 Insta voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP Lounge. It's a special place I created for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles and all of this, guys. So I'm really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I truly appreciate your love and support. I will see you on Friday for another Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.